Want skin that feels as smooth as silk? In this video, you'll learn Brazilian waxing. Do it safely and confidently at home. Whether you're a beginner or refining your skills, we've got you. Welcome to MTH Health, your trusted guide to wellness. Brazilian waxing removes hair from the entire bikini area. This method offers longer-lasting smoothness compared to shaving. Hair is pulled from the root, slowing regrowth by weeks. It's perfect for someone seeking low-maintenance, clean skin. Start by gathering your supplies. You'll need hard wax or sugar wax. A wax warmer and wooden spatulas are must-haves. Don't forget talc-free powder and pre-wax cleanser. A soothing gel is great for aftercare. Optional. Use a mirror for precision and gloves for hygiene. Now, let's talk safety and hygiene. Wash the area with mild antibacterial soap. Gently pat the skin dry afterwards. Apply a light dusting of powder to absorb moisture. Never wax over cuts, rashes, or sunburns. Testing the wax temperature is essential. It should feel warm, but not hot. Apply the wax in the hair growth direction. Wait about 15 to 30 seconds for the wax to cool. Hold the skin tight and pull the wax off quickly. Always pull against hair growth for best results. Press the area immediately with your palm to reduce pain. Work in small sections, this gives more control and less discomfort. After waxing, apply soothing gel or aloe vera. This calms your skin and reduces irritation. Avoid sweating and tight clothes for 24 hours. Keep the area clean and moistured to prevent ingrown hairs. Now, let's discuss common mistakes to avoid. Never wax over broken or irritated skin. Always test the wax temperature before use. Never pull the wax slowly, it increases pain and irritation. Skipping aftercare can lead to bumps and redness. Next up are some FAQs about the process. Does it hurt? Yes, but it gets easier with practice. How often should you wax? Every 3 to 4 weeks is ideal. Is it safe for sensitive skin? Yes, use a gentle wax and prep. Smooth skin is more than a beauty trend, it's self-care. With the right technique, at-home waxing is safe and effective. If this guide helped you, please like and subscribe to MTH Health. For more natural skincare tips, explore our other videos. Stay silky, stay confident, with MTH Health.